Hey everyone, my name is Violet Abayo. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to make the Excel errors and simply how to correct them. So I will go and click on the Excel file. It's there. As you can see, it has opened. Okay, the errors are simply going to be on the, maybe if you are the class teacher of a certain class and you are trying to make a report card. So, and you know very well that on the report card we normally begin with the names. So I'll begin by typing in the names. For example, Abayo. For example, Abayo, Violet. You can see that the name has passed the line. So that is already an error. So how can we correct this error? I'm going to simply position my cursor on the line. Then after positioning the line, then I left click, then I hold. So you can see that the name has been corrected and also have corrected the error. So let us go to the marks. Let us begin by filling the marks. For example, Maths 45, Science 76, SST 34, English 45. So we are going to total them. On the total, we are also going to look the second. We are going to see the second error. Let us try making the second error. You know very well that when we are totaling, we simply begin by pressing the equal sign. Then after the equal sign, you press sum. You can see that sum has already been brought. So you click on it. After clicking on it, now we are going to total. I'm supposed to begin with math, but remember I'm trying to make an error, so I'm going to begin with the name. As you can see, I'm going to begin with the name. As you can see, then you enter. Instead of bringing the total marks, you can see that it has brought 0. So that is already an error. Now, how can we correct this error? We are going to correct this error by simply pressing the equal sign. Then after pressing the equal sign, I press sum. After pressing sum, now I begin with now maths. This time now I've chose now correctly. Shall begin with Maths, Science, SST, English. Then after I enter, so that is the total marks of that pupil. So guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. We meet in the next video. Thank you.